You can effortlessly connect with your customers through instant messaging to answer common questions by connecting your website with Tidio's instant messaging service. Having a command of Tidio makes your website look so much more professional and enables you, as the website owner, to have a much more direct relationship with your customers, which will naturally grow trust in your business and build your website's traffic. So this is the first of our Tidio series, and ahead of this video, you should have an e-commerce website that is live with items being purchased by customers. But firstly, how do you get to this area where you can connect your website with Tidio's instant chat service? Well, to do this, you need to look for the content option here and find the instant chat section, and you'll be taken to this page here. And the first thing that you want to do when setting up your Tidio account is, of course, click the blue Open Tidio Account button right here. And you'll be taken to the Tidio Create a Free Account page. And all that you need to do is input your email, a password, and your website's domain name. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly do that. So I've given my email, password, and domain name, and I'm now ready to create my free Tidio account. And before you get into Tidio's main instant chat area, there are a few steps that you have to complete first, such as what color you want the chat area to be, as well as the particular country that you operate from, as well as the industry that you work in, and also what your first chatbot will actually say. Perhaps it'll offer a discount or just be a nice warm greeting. And then you have the option of obviously either installing the code yourself or sending the instructions to the developer. And we are obviously going to do it yourself option, which is always the good way to go. And in this one here, you want to choose the JavaScript option here. And as you would expect, you need to copy this code and then hit continue. And so here we are in the main Tidio area, and in the next video we're going to really walk through each area in detail and get really familiar with Tidio. But for now, we need to go and input our code that we just got from Tidio back into the system. But firstly, a couple of things about Tidio. The first is that it's a free service. You do not have to pay. However, if you want to upgrade your chatbots and do more with them, then you can, of course, upgrade your account, which will cost money. And the second thing is to remember is that in order to really get the most out of Tidio, you should download the mobile app so that you can respond to customers wherever you are in the world. And all that you need to do when you're back on this page here is paste in the code and click the green add button. And there you go. Tidio Instant Chat has been added and incorporated into your website. And this means that when guests visit your website, they will see on the bottom right hand side of your website's screen the instant chat icon, and they will immediately be able to get in touch with you. And with that, you now know the really simple process of connecting your e-commerce website with your new Tidio account. Customers can now get in touch with you really quickly, which means that your online shop is much more personalized and engaging for visitors. And in the next video, we are going to walk through the important free features available on Tidio that allow you to adapt the instant chat service to your precise needs as a business. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again.